भारत दर्शन तो शायद कई ट्रैवलर्स ने किया होगा, लेकिन असली मंदिर का दर्शन तो इन्होंने किया है। मिलिए तरुण और उनकी फैमिली से, who turned temple trotters covering 600 temples in over 300 villages in the span of 6 months.
Hi, I'm Tarun and we are a traveling family. I, with my wife and two daughters 5 and 7, have been traveling since my elder daughter was just 4 months old. We have visited more than 50 countries, but this year we turned temple trotters. We drove 26,000 kilometers across 15 states of India between October 2020 and March 2021. We visited more than 300 villages and more than 600 temples, and here is our journey. We always wanted to see what India has to offer. We had done some trips in the past across India. We have driven 7,000 kilometers covering all Jyotirlings. But this year, when the pandemic was actually depleting and receding, we thought, why not explore India in depth? So we started on this epic journey. We started on this 26,000 kilometer journey.
एंटरप्रेन्योर है और खुद की कंसल्टेंसी कंपनी चलाते हैं और साल के कुछ महीने ये फैमिली ट्रैवलिंग में ही बिताती है और ऑनलाइन स्कूल के चलते बच्चों के साथ ट्रैवल करना और भी इजी हो गया एंड दैट्स हाउ दे स्टार्टेड देयर रोड ट्रिप कवरिंग 15 स्टेट्स इन इंडिया.
We started from Rajasthan. So we spent 3 weeks in Rajasthan. We went to Gujarat for 30 days. We went to Daman and Diu for a couple of days. Then came back to Uttar Pradesh. From there we went to Madhya Pradesh. We went to Maharashtra. From Maharashtra further went down to Telangana, Andhra Pradesh. We spent a lot of time, around 40 days in Tamil Nadu, a couple of days in Pondicherry, then Kerala, Karnataka. And on the way back again visited Telangana, then came back via Chhattisgarh, Delhi and Haryana.
तरुण और उनकी फैमिली एक बहुत ही स्पिरिचुअली मोटिवेटेड फैमिली है जिन्होंने 300 से भी ज्यादा विलेजेस और 600 टेम्पल्स में अपने दर्शन दिए, which gave them a lot of peace and helped them understand the life and culture of rural India.
We visited these ancient temples in Jaisalmer area. We got so inspired because those temples were actually situated in deep villages, which we will never go otherwise. We will just go to the main tourist spots, but once you start traveling around temples, you actually go to the heartlands, you go to deep villages, you make connections with the villagers, you understand their story, and most of these temples are located such that you get the best beauty spot and best views of the nature.
This road trip journey for the family was a mix of luxury and budget travel. While covering the rural villages, they made sure that they lived in homestays in nearby towns where they could find decent and safe accommodation.
As I mentioned that we were visiting so many villages, so there were some fears associated with visiting villages because a lot of people told us that it may not be very safe, and we still went ahead. We visited those villages, and our experience was completely opposite of what people were telling us. In all the villages we were really welcome because nobody came to those villages visiting like this, so every local person was so helpful. They will offer us food.
रूरल इंडिया में ट्रैवल करते करते तरुण के बच्चों ने भी काफी कुछ हमारे इंडियन संस्कृति, वैल्यूज, डिसिप्लिन्स और कल्चर के बारे में जाना and the lifestyle which helps the kids learn a lot about the outside city life.
One of the biggest learning was that initially when we started we will plan too much and we wanted to stick with that plan, and it never happened, and we were always frustrated that what is happening, we plan to reach this place today and we never reached there. So the biggest learning was just to relax. I mean, just relax, just enjoy the trip, and everything will fall in place. So that was one of the biggest learning for us.
And while having a past history in travels, Tarun was well prepared and had solutions for every kind of challenge.
You are on such a long trip. there will be moments which are not so positive. Fortunately, there were not so many. So, for example, managing the kids' nutrition was a big challenge. So we bought electric pressure cooker so we could cook their meals anywhere. So we were not dependent on food and we don't have to eat outside always. So the kids' nutrition challenge was big one, and we solved it by getting an electric pressure cooker, and we could cook in any hotel rooms or anywhere.
Tarun also wishes to inspire many such families to go out there and travel, as there is no better happiness in the world than to spend quality time with your family.
So my message is, don't plan too much, don't think too much, just take the first step, get out of your comfort zone, and everything will fall in place and you will start enjoying the journey. Traveling in India is really economical and is completely safe until you use your common sense. And each journey will not only create lifelong memories for you that you will live with forever, but it will take you to a higher realm of life and a higher bonding with your family. So I think you should get out of your house, get over your fears, and just start exploring.